seems as though they're entertaining themselves while I finish up setting up stream. Alrighty. Alright, game 1 will be on small battlefield between MasterG and a Honk to Bonk. Let's see what these players have in store. Ike versus Palutena. Remember, this is best of 3.
3, 2, 1, go!
Fair to start off the game. The back air also connecting. Up B is going to as well. Seems to be, like, with these two characters, not going to be much of two crazy combos. Just a lot of one-off hits. But that's all these characters need to make moves. Ooh, neutral B. Very good way to cancel out of his neutral B animation. Just to save himself. Dash attack, up air. Ooh. Getting hit by the counter. Not getting hit by the F smash, however. Ooh, missing the F smash and dying.
Prepare yourself.
Missing the bear. Ooh, hitting the neutral B. Missing the dash attack though. Getting hit by the up B. Back air. Ooh, missing the down air, but I like what he was going for there. Bear barely grazing his shield, but Honk's still able to get a punish off of it. Ooh, charging up that. Ooh, very nice play, taking it to 2 stocks apiece. Ooh, up air not killing though. Missing the neutral B though. Honk holding onto his stock because of it as well. Missing the up smash, but dying to the forward tilt.
Prepare yourself.
Ooh, down air, stopping the juggling. But for how long? Down throw. Up air not connecting. But the back air did. Honk can still bring it back if he just hits these confirms. But the forward air is going to take him off stage. Canceling the neutral B again though. Very smart. Ooh, the up smash could have killed. He is playing very patient, however, he did not do so, dying to the down smash. MasterG takes us to 1-0. Same stage, so we're going back to small battlefield. However, we are going to get a stage change, or a character change on Honk's behalf. Corrin. This will be a very interesting game. Let's see how this goes. Both characters have quite the range.
3, 2, 1.
Hey and Yo, both the starting for the game. Fair, going to start it off. Although he is going to have to get used to playing Corrin rather than Palutena. And I don't see that as a problem right away. It will be a problem right away rather than down the road, as he will start getting used to it. So hopefully that is the case, but the down air being an unfortunate SD. F smash. Whipping these attacks, but still not getting punished for it. Almost taking that next stock. This F smash, however, will take the stock, and it's 3 stocks to 1 on MasterG's behalf. Looking very scary for Honk. His tournament life ending here. Ooh, missing the up air though. Jab, take him across the stage. No punish off that, but super armoring through it to get the up B. Gets him off stage again, and that is the game. MasterG takes it 2-0.
I submit to no one.